When I talk to startups, I have these 4 main advices to them. And for me, all the challenges that they have comes back to one of these 4 advices. So the first one is you have to build the right team around you. You cannot expect to be able to do everything yourself. And even if you could, you don't have the time to do so. So you have to build the right team around you. And we're talking about mentors, we're talking about co-workers, co-founders, investors, have to be the right people around you. Secondly, you have to interact with your user group. You have to go out there and talk to people and get people to invest in your product at a very early stage, because you have to make sure that there is somebody out there that is willing to pay the price that you have to charge for your product, because it's all about creating a business now. It's not about your product anymore, it's about creating a business. And if there's nobody that wants to buy it, do something different. Thirdly, and in no particular order, you have to execute. You can strategize all day long, but nothing comes out of it. You have to go out there and try things out. And remember, you never fail. You either succeed or you learn how not to do it. And then fourth but not least, you have to be in control of your data. To be able to learn from your data and become wiser and not do the same things again that wasn't a success, you need to be in control of your data to be able to get that knowledge back. So be in control of your data, that's very important.